Alright boys, GG. Sheesh. Yeah, my FD won't start. Nagtawag na lang ng mechanic. If not, if di kaya, papataw na lang. Car won't start, bro. Sira yung starter. Pang, wala. Pero battery's good. Why? It's 12 voltages. Yeah, GG. Bruh. No. So many L's, bruh. Oh, the Civic FD is cooked once again, my boy. At least pogi pa rin, ha? Sakto, dalawa kotse. Papa-rollers na rin ako. Yes sir, unexpected. Unexpected rollers. Walang pa nasiraan. Doon pa magkaka-rollers. The back rooms. Let me in. Let me in, swear. Sheesh. Fix na. Tsaka may backup na parang emergency something na pag di nag-start. Basta yan. Nai-connect sa positive. Formal pa ako. Back to iPhone vlogging.
Pag in-start mo pa yan, bababa pa yan.
Mas lagyan ulit. Start this. Twin, where have you been? Nobody know me like you do, though. Sheesh. Come on now, twin. Come on now, twin. Hey, twin. Twin. Let me float, twin. Come on, 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 come on. Sheesh. Alright, so for today we're gonna shoot some flat lays for the website. Because I think i-release ko na to by Friday or Saturday. Daming FD. Daming FD black. Sheesh, walang window. And it's raining. Pouring. GG's. You're cooked, my boy. You wet. You wet, my boy. Shoot the shirt. Yeah, releasing soon in a few days. Go cop this. Lahat ng profits papupunta sa 86. Yes sir. If you need any studio needs, it's the only place to go. Sheesh.
Breaking you back again. Rockin' with Gucci, my Louis Vuitton. She finna go and she flooded with me. Pull out in your crib and I'm finna get stained. Pop the pill, she feelin' with it. Riding my ride, my bitch it belongs. Tell me exactly.
FD. Photoshoot done. Meron akong lalagay sa website na photo. So, should be good by... Site should be good and running by tomorrow, I'd say. And we're gonna drop this shirt on Friday or Saturday, I think. Meron akong reels na tatlo na tawag dun na shoot. So, ay na-edit pala. Shoot and edit. Tapos may biglang rollers din nung isang araw, which is yung video na to. Yung di ko ma-start yung nasira yung starter. Which is di pala masasabi kung kailan masisira. Talagang matsyempohan lang din talaga pag kailangan ng palitan or ayusin. So far parang madumi lang. Come on, twin. Sheesh. Sarap. Cutting up in a Civic. Appreciate you, twin. Sheesh. Anyway, we're gonna edit a video for I think may edit ang vlog today, which is yung late night car meet na last na pinunta namin. And sadly, di ako nakapwesto dun sa near the cars. So pumwesto ako dun sa malayo. Tapos nilakad lang namin yung car meet. Damn, I know the underglow hitting right now. So I'm manood the movie today, tonight. Probably yung Odyssey ba yun? Odyssey. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but if merong time. Ooh, vacant. Sarap. Yeah, okay na. I'm good. Got a long list of slowly. Gusto rin palitan yung underglow. Sasawa na ako sa green Although green is the sickest, I ain't gonna lie. Green is cool but parang gusto ko ng hot pink though. Hot pink. Ooh, look at that. Oh, purple sa video, pero hot pink kinda, I think. Yeah, that's cool. Sheesh, boy. Alala ko last time ginabi ako dito, like wala nang kotse, wala nang ilaw. Kaso wala pa underglow nun. Wait, may schedule ba ngayon? Click the city. And you love the guy. Come on, twin. Odyssey pala. Mona? What the? Uy, Ghosty, saan yung Odyssey? Wala na. 7:45, let's go. Yeah, I'ma watch this. Si ano ata ang director nito, like yung nag-direct ng Interstellar. So, let's see. Let's go, boys. Solo date. Dolo. The Dolo date. Outfit of the day. I also bought these Vans na long sleeves, you can see. I need to shop more long sleeves or layered shirt. I need those. Oh, walang chair.
Even if they're lost.
Alright, boys, that was a 10 out of 10 movie. Gulat nga ako, nandun si parang all-star yung cast. Parang gulat ako, nandun si Travis Scott. Crazy. Hey, that movie is a banger. Wait, soundcheck. Ganda ng pink, no? Although mukhang purple, violet sa video. Pero I think pag in-edit naman na to, mas kita. Damn. Naka-compare ko ngayon underglow like sa iba eh. Like, ang lakas nung ano niya. Yung parang AOE. Compared sa iba na nakikita ako. Sheesh. Got it right the first time. Kaya tayo na ako ng ilaw ni Kuya. Sheesh. It's okay, we lit. Ako na natitira dito. One last period. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh, ba't may pusa? Has! Sarap. Can't wait. It's 86. Can't wait to turn this into an 80 Sykes. Saan ako lalabas? I think din eh. No, pa pala nakapark eh. Why would you close the lights on me, Twin? Wait, saan magandang thumbnail? Tara, thumbnail nga muna ako. Hindi kasi sure kung maganda yung thumbnail ko kanina. Ang isang vlog mo yan, napasubscribe ako ng di oras. Hey, thank you. Di ka nagbasa ng comments, chuming. Legit na madalas na gusto ko chill na lang, lalo na pagsawa na sa palaging hataw-taw. Hey, makakagigil talaga, boss, chill. Yon. Wala, medyo onti pa yung views ng last video, kaya onti pa lang yung comments. But damn, look at this, Twin. Crazy. Abang kulay maganda. Di ko kasi trip yung blue eh. Either gusto ko lang talaga purple, green, or itong hot pink. Sa RGB, I mean yung mga dynamic na settings, wala kasi akong wala akong matripan eh. Gusto ko sa here, like solid color pero makakapili ka ng parang animation kinda. Yeah, that's sick. Sheesh. Alright, let's go. I don't know where I'm gonna eat. Alright boys, that's the end of the video. Go like and subscribe. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Then do it.
Oh, I got what you need in the keep telling baby, can you wait there outside? You know what it is, I forgot the reason, but the end of the reason. But I kick it in the ends, never bother me, but I do what's been alright. Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.